What's good, guys? Today we will be breaking down a trade that I took in the morning on GBP USD. It was a simple continuation bearish setup. We had CPI, so of course it was slightly riskier, but still the setup was very beautiful, worth the risk, and something that I would personally like to frame as an A plus setup. So without wasting any further time, let's quickly dive into the analysis. So this is daily chart on O&M, and if you follow me on, if you follow the weekly outlook videos, you know that we were waiting for either a break or a close above this particular consolidation. And as soon as we broke below this and closed right here, it was very evident that we will target 1.25 odd levels, right? So price broke below, pulled back up, and tapped into this particular order block level on a daily time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, now if I go right here, we have our buy side imbalance, which price rejected from right here, and had a very lovely sharp fall in the price right here. Now it left one more small imbalance, and this is where I thought this is worth the risk, barely a 7 pip range. And yeah, the daily trend is bearish, 4-hour trend is bearish. If I go on 15-minute time frame and show you the current price action, so even this was clearly very bearish. So bias was very simple. We are going to look for sells, but there were these highs, 1 and 2 buy stops. Basically, any retailer would love to buy above this in anticipation for the CPI that we might fill this range with heavy momentum. But what happens, we will quickly discuss on Go charting platform. Let me use the replay mode, and right here, as soon as we got these highs, this is pretty much where I was sure that we can potentially enter. And let me actually show you on a 1 minute time frame. Now, this is not something that I would advise you to do unless and until you are experienced enough about the 1 minute time frame and where to use it. So let's quickly go on this. Yeah, right here is where I placed my sell stop. So this basically created a new high in the market. And since news was around the corner right here, 12:30. Yeah, news was around the corner, 12:30. So my bias was quite simple. And we have to yet talk about targets. So let's quickly do that. So for targets, this was my first target, 750 odd levels. And after this, I expect pound dollar to continue and grab this low. But right now, let's quickly follow this 1 minute again. So this is pretty much, I think, where I entered right here at 70 odd levels. As soon as this is 70, yeah, this is 70. And stop loss was about this, or approximately 10 pip stop loss is what I remember. And this was my target. I did not want to hold as such, but let's quickly see. So I got tagged in right here, and this is pretty much the price action. So now let's play this. Boom. One candle and we are done. TP hit. So yeah, that was pretty much the breakdown on pound dollar. Very easy trade, very simple trade, but this easy comes with a lot of experience, right? I've spent close to 3 years trying to sharpen my analysis, sharpen my skills of finding right order blocks, right fair value gaps, how to mark them, how to use them, when to use them. Personally, I don't like to trade news, but again, as I said, daily was bearish, 4-hour was bearish. Everything was indicating one single picture, and hence I could not miss it, even though I risked quite less comparatively, but a very beautiful trade. So I hope you found some value from this particular video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.